to make the ultimate sweet burger.
I am ready. Are you ready, Ree?
I'm ready.
She's ready.
These are Frank's favourite donuts, right? They are the ones with the hundreds of thousands on top. Frank, I'm using your donut, bro.
Oh no.
I'm using your donut, but that's going to be the bun for this burger.
No.
What are you saying? Are you on that?
So making a burger and that as a bun?
Yes.
Are we going to cut and put the burger in the middle of that?
Yes.
Oh.
Look, so we're going to use this on top and bottom of our...
You get me new donuts.
I'm going to buy you a new pack, mate, just for you, bruv.
And one just for me. No.
This is the important part of the burger.
No.
The bun.
This is the important part because she
That-
thinks it's always raw. She always smells it.
Who's that? Who's she?
Her.
What's
Your
your mother?
mother. That's your mother, Mush.
What?
That's your mother. Alright, I'm going to make a burger, yeah? Here we go.
That looks like a bacon.
Right, a little bit of oil in
It's a
there.
radar.
I'm struggling for pans at the moment, Calv.
Yeah, I can see.
I'm not.
Why? What's happened?
It's a nightmare. I think Ree's been busy with the pans. This is the
Oh,
problem.
no.
Always in the kitchen.
I think she, no, I think what she's done, she attempted to cook me a romantic meal the other day. Spaghetti.
Yeah.
She's decided
Did
to
you tell your wife like that for spaghetti?
no,
What's wrong with
romantic
pasta?
meal. That's lovely, but you've got the frying
We
pans out
share the
for it.
spaghetti like that, can't we?
Yeah, but I don't know why you got the frying pans out under it.
Well, and that's what you've left him with, that little
And
tiny...
then she left me with that, and she's ended up ruining it. Right, I'm going to go in, I'm going to cook this. This is one of the patties from the kitchen.
In this.
Right, I had to put that in there because it was weighted that way.
Yeah.
So I had to get that in there like that. Let that cook up, and we're going to construct the ultimate
Donut burger.
donut burger. In sounds good, doesn't it? Tomato, you can construct.
I must say I've never had this before.
Nor have
What's that?
I. Tomato.
Do you want a big tomato?
No, that's good enough for me, Ren. That's good enough for me, girl. All friends here. Little bit of lettuce.
It's going to be weird. Like,
You can
meat
construct
and...
it. Construct, put it together. The word construct is to build. It's to put
not
together.
chef.
No, that's building terms, isn't it? Construct it, baby. Yeah, leave that there then. Right here, construct it up then. We're going to do dress this burger up.
That's it, so do what you want.
You dress that burger up for me. Go on, girl.
Not having no sauce.
Do you reckon you need sauce in there?
What, with all that sweetness?
5.
Do you reckon ketchup would ruin it?
Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
I think that you got there. I think that you got that there.
Yeah, you got the sweetness because ketchup's only sweet anyway.
Phil, do you want to put 2 bits of lettuce in there? 2 bits of lettuce in there. And now go on top of your tomato. Put 3 bits in. 1, 2, 3. Ree, we got some cheese, yeah?
Oh, burger cheese.
Have you got burger cheese?
Of course I have.
If you've got burger cheese, we're going with
she's
burger
prepared.
cheese.
Yeah.
She's prepared. Wait there, we'll use that burger. Oh, do you want to lay on top of that then? Go on, Sage, you do it, babe. Alright.
Alright.
And now we've got to wait about
Hold on,
6
hold on.
minutes for that bad boy to cook.
So
And then we're going to construct it. You can do it, but Mum said put it on there. I like it on there, it looks good. Now leave it on there, it looks good. 6 minutes, cook that, put that on there, bosh.
We've got fire here.
We've got flame grill going on, bro. Flame grill, sister. Hey. What are you saying, Cal? Turn that down.
Fire.
Right, here
Nice.
we go. Are you ready?
Sage has got it ready.
Look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? Let that cool down. You ready to construct? Bosh.
Look at that with the donut top.
Put the top on, girl.
Go on, Sab. Oh, yes.
Yes, Sam. Go on, Sam.
You made lunch today,
You
look.
made yourself a donut burger. Right, get a picture of her. Hold it up, because you can give this to your teacher when you go back to school. You can say, look what I made on my first day off. Hold it. One hand there. You got it? Yeah, boy. Look at that, Calvin. That is what you call the Baldbuilders Ultimate Donut Burger made by Savage. Ooh. How about